So this what made me do my YouTube channel as well, for extra support to help me go through issues I'm going through now. I never thought in a million years that I'll be sitting here doing a YouTube channel and talking to you guys about, or showing tutorials about cooking, just talking in general. Like, I would never see or thought that I would be doing this, but stress can have you do some crazy things. And I know we all can attest to that. We can attest to that. Attest to that. We all can say that stress had us on the edge, living out in fear. When I say FEAR, fear, stress will have you living doing some crazy things. And I just looking for support groups as well. Before I forget, guys, I'm cutting up some celery, some red onion, got some pepper, some relish, some hot mustard, some brown, regular mustard, French mustard, yellow mustard, some pepper, red wine vinegar, some mayonnaise to go inside the chicken salad. Did I forget the scallions, the green scallions? We can't forget the green scallions, celery. I know I'm not going to do too many tutorials with me cutting up small items because my hands do hurt. But the great thing is I am sitting down. So I know I explained to you guys about my trauma, my back pain as well. I had back surgery. That didn't go well. So weight gain, high blood pressure. Like I said, they like to say we all have anxiety. And stress will make you have anxiety. Will make you be on the edge. So I hope you guys receive this message. It's okay. Therapy is not for everybody, but it has worked for me. I'm a big advocate of therapy. I love therapy. I go every week. It has done wonders for me. Actually, wonders. So, yeah. That's what's been going on with me. If you're going through any stress, please feel free to inbox me or leave a message in a comment. Leave a comment about what you do, how you guys deal with stress and anxiety, ways I can cope as well. But cooking has been my stress reliever. I am trying to find new ways to diet and exercise when I can. I know exercise play a big part in stress as well, and promote sleep. But and I see the calmness too in myself from therapy, and with my kids as well. I see how calm they are, how they handle their issues and their problems. When I say calm, meaning they're able to process and cope better. Like, how can you tell somebody how to feel? That is the number one thing. How can you tell somebody how to feel? And you can't. You cannot. So that's a very hard topic, because I'm pretty sure we've all been in situations where we feel like someone is telling us how to feel and how to cope with things, right? We all been through that, right? So that's why, once again, that's why I'm saying everybody's not meant to handle that. And I know I'm not able to handle other people's issues myself, because I'm going through my own stuff. I can't even handle my own stuff. So I try to do outlets. I encourage outlets. Do a YouTube channel, whether it's just blog. I encourage you to be yourself, love yourself. I wanted to come on camera as natural as possible, being myself without any makeup, because this is me. I do doll up, I do dress up. I never wear makeup as much. There's nothing wrong with makeup, but I just haven't never really wore makeup. So I didn't want to come on the camera wearing makeup because it's hard for me. How can I keep up with that? How? If I never wear it. That would be fraud, fronting on the camera. And this is life. I want to close out this message with a song. I can't sing, but I want to sing this so bad. So you know the song? I always love my mama. She's my favorite girl. You only get one, yeah. So I would like to close out this video with, I will always love my Lord. He brought me in this world. Only live once, yeah. I always love my mama. She brought me in this world. You only live once, yeah. I always love myself. You hear me? I will always love myself because I'm my favorite girl. With that note,